Hello, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 10s. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and enter Display. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level of the display manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, we can enable and schedule dark mode, eye comfort mode, and also we can change color temperature, reading mode with do not disturb mode and mini notifications, and then we can change sleep timeout between 15 seconds, 30 minutes or never, change font size, enable or disable auto rotate screen, adjust status bar to show network speed, change battery percentage between do not show, inside battery or next to battery, and enable or disable notifications icons folder. In more display settings, we can set screensaver. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.